Before diving into the finance app, here's what you need to know before buying it. We'll break down key features and how it stacks up against competitors so you can make an informed decision. First, the app promises simplicity and efficiency, perfect for people who want to manage their finances without dealing with overly complex setups. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't overwhelm you with too many options. However, this simplicity might not satisfy those looking for deep customization. Next, one of the standout features is its ease of use. The interface is clean and intuitive, which makes navigating it a breeze, especially if you've struggled with other apps that have confusing menus and complex navigation. But keep in mind that while it's easy to use, it doesn't offer the same level of advanced features some of its competitors provide, like investment tracking or detailed financial reports. The third thing to consider is its integration with other platforms. It syncs well with various banks, payment apps, and investment platforms, which is a big plus for anyone managing multiple accounts. Still, it's worth noting that some competing apps offer even broader integration options, including more international banks and credit card services. The fourth thing is its budgeting tools. The app offers budget tracking and expense categorization, which can help users stay on top of their spending. But it doesn't go as far as other finance apps that offer detailed, customizable categories or offer real-time expense tracking. If budgeting is a top priority for you, this might feel a bit basic. Next, let's talk about security. The app uses standard encryption and offers two-factor authentication, which is fairly standard in the industry. But some competitors offer more advanced security features, like biometric logins or more granular control over app access. So while it's secure, it's not the most robust option for those prioritizing high-level security. Another important aspect is customer support. The app offers basic support options, including email and chat, but it lacks a phone support option that some users might appreciate. When comparing it to competitors, you'll find some apps have 24/7 phone support or even live chat with shorter wait times. Next, consider its pricing model. The app is free to download, but many of its most useful features are locked behind a paywall. While the pricing is reasonable compared to other apps, some competitors offer a wider range of free features, especially in budgeting and investment tools. The app does offer a financial tracker, which is great for keeping an eye on your credit score, savings, and overall financial health. However, compared to other finance apps, it may not have as in-depth analytics or insights into your financial behavior. Another thing to note is that the app does have regular updates and improvements, which means it's being actively maintained. That's a big plus compared to apps that feel stagnant or get neglected over time. But it might not get the frequent feature rollouts seen with some other premium finance tools. Next, let's talk about its community features. The app doesn't offer a social community or shared financial goals like some of the more innovative finance apps out there. If you're someone who enjoys getting advice or sharing tips with others, you might find this feature lacking. Another consideration is the app's mobile-first design. It's perfect for people who want to manage their finances on the go, but it doesn't have a full desktop version, which some competitors offer. If you prefer to manage everything from a laptop or desktop, you might find that limiting. Finally, it's important to note that this app excels in streamlining day-to-day financial management. But if you're looking for something with more advanced investment tracking or financial advising features, you may need to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a good option for someone looking for a simple, easy-to-use finance app. But if you're seeking more advanced features or deeper insights into your financial life, you may want to explore other options. For a solution that covers everything from budgeting to investment tracking, check out our recommended option. You can try it for free and see if it suits your needs better.